Hello there! My name is Jay, and I am from the Philippines. I am a licensed teacher with a TEFL certificate. It's a pleasure to meet you. I hope you are having an amazing day. Since 2023, I have taught different subjects, but my favorite subject is English because it helps us connect with people worldwide. I am committed to helping you become proficient in English. I am very excited to share my knowledge and skills with you. My goal is to help you improve your communication skills, particularly in listening, speaking, writing, reading, and understanding. I value your input and perspectives during our lessons, as it is important for me to be able to relate to you and understand you better. I can't wait to help you achieve your learning goals and ensure that you will also have fun along the way. So what are you waiting for? Book a class with me now. Enjoy your day and stay safe and happy. Bye bye. See you.